Hi my dear students, hope all will be fine. So student, I am going to start exercise question on the basis of section formula. So yesterday I given in the previous video about the section formula, midpoint and centroid. So related that topics, I am going to start the question from the exercise. Let's see question number first, third part taken that. Find the coordinates of the midpoints of the line segment joining the following pairs of the point. Line segment, if we will join the 2 points, what will form that? A line segment. If 2 points are given that A, X1, Y1 and B, X2, Y2. If we join these 2 points, what will be formed that? A line will form that. Line segment will be formed that. So here, given that, find the coordinates of the midpoints of the line segment. This line segment formed by joining 2 points. These 2 points are given that. So by using these 2 points, what you have to find that? Midpoint. So as I taught in the previous lecture that to find method to find the midpoint. If this is the X1, Y1 and this is the X2, Y2. This is the A point and this is the B point. To find the midpoint, suppose a midpoint I taken the D or C or any. To find the midpoint, what was the formula? Formula was sum of abscissa upon 2 and sum of ordinate upon 2. Right? So, here you have to use that x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2 to find the midpoint. That clear? So, same formula you have to apply here to find the midpoint. 2 points are given that. So, if 2 points are given, how can you find? Let's see that. 2 points are A plus 3, 5B, other 2A minus 1, 3B plus 4. These 2 points are given that. We have to find that midpoint between this. Midpoint between this that. And 2A minus 1, 3B plus 4. 2 points are given, we have to find the midpoint between that. How we have to find? X1, Y1, X2, Y2. X1, suppose this is the X1, like X1, Y1, X2, Y2. To find the midpoint, what was the formula? Midpoint. Formula was that X1 plus X2 upon 2, sum of abscissa upon 2, sum of ordinate upon 2. So, midpoint will be here. A plus 3 plus 2A minus 1 upon 2. X1, this is X1, this is X2 upon 2. Y1 plus Y2 upon 2. So 5B plus 3B plus 4 whole upon 2. It is compulsory to apply the small bracket and separate by the comma to represent the point coordinate. Yes, you have to not forget about. अगर आप ऐसे लिख देते हैं this way, this is not point, no mark will be on this. So it is compulsory to mention that small bracket that. Now simplify, what will be this? A plus 3, A plus 2A what is? 3A and 3 minus 1 what will be? Plus 2 whole upon 2. A plus 2A, 3A, 3 minus 1, 2 upon 2. Now 5B plus 3B, 8B plus 4 upon 2. Yes, so this is your midpoint. This is your midpoint. Or you can reduce by taking the 2 common. You can write the 4b. What will be here? If you reduce, if you are taking the 2 common, यहाँ से 2 आप common लेते हैं, तो क्या बन जाएगा इधर? Here will be 4 and here will be 2. If you are taking the common 2, so this is cancel. So your point will be 3a plus 2 whole upon 2 and 4b plus 2 upon 1. This is the point. Right? So this was the method to find the midpoint by taking the question number first, third that. So let's take next question. Very easy. Now see next question. Question number third first of M.L. Agrawal book. Find the coordinates of the points. Points mean that more than one. Points of intersection of the line segment joining the points 3 minus 3, 6, 9. If you join the 2 point, what will obtain that? A line will get that. So a line segment will form by joining these 2 points, 3 minus 3, 6, 9. इस लाइन को 3 सेक्शन में डिवाइड करना है. Points of intersection of the line segment. Find the coordinate of the points of intersection of the line segment joining the points 3 minus 3. I think that something is missing in this. Something is missing. Points of trisection. Trisection, that points of trisection, intersection, not trisection, that 3 section. Trisection, that it is given that trisection, 3 section, that mean that 2, it means that find the coordinates of the points of trisection, that a line, suppose this is A of coordinate 3 minus 3 and this is B of coordinate 6, 9. 2 points if joined will form a line. Suppose this is line AB. Now this line had to divide into 3 parts. That first part suppose here, second part suppose there. This is P and this is the Q. This is P and this is the Q. Let P coordinate be x comma y and Q coordinate a comma b. What is AB? 1. PQ 1. QB 1. Trisection into 3 section, that. Okay. If you are taking P, अगर आप P लेते हैं तो AP what will be 1 and PB what will be 2. PB mean that from here P to B, how much will be? 2. Yes. So there will be 2 parts, AP and PB in that case. When if you are taking the P, यदि आप P लेते हैं, देखिए P और Q क्या है, 2 पॉइंट्स हैं, लाइन को क्या कर रहे हैं, 3 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. These 2 points dividing into 3 parts. So asking find the coordinate of P and coordinate of Q. If you are taking the P, it means AP ratio PB, AP ratio PB what will be? 1 ratio 2. 1 ratio 2. Point x1 y1, x2 y2. Then by taking these 2 points and this ratio, suppose this is the M1 and this is the M2. So we have to apply the formula to find the x and y. What is formula for x? X is equal to M1 x1 plus M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. And y, what is? Y is equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So by using these 2 formula, we have to find out x and y for this point P. Yes, so let's see. M1 1, M2 2. This is suppose x1, इसको आप x1 y1 कहिए. This is the x2 y2. No need to write. It is not necessary to write that. To understand, I written that. Yeah. If it is clear that, no need to write it. M1 x2 1 into 6. So for x 1 into 6 plus M2 x1 2 into 3. 2 into 3 whole upon what will be? 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. M1 plus M2. 1 plus 2. That is equal to 6 plus 6 whole upon 3. That is equal to 12 upon 3. That is equal to 4. X came 4. Now check y. Y is equal to M1 y2. M1 1, y2 9. So 1 into 9 plus, depend on the practice, that if you will do the practice, if you will do some questions by yourself, that it is sure that concept will be clear, that very easy. 1 into 9 means m1 y2 plus m2 y1, 2 into minus 3, 2 into minus 3, 1 plus 2, what is coming? 9 minus 6 upon 3, what is coming? That 9 minus 6, 3 upon 3, that is equal to 1. So we found that x value came 4 and y value came 1. So what is coordinate of p came? That 4 comma 1. So we can write here that coordinate for this p came 4 comma 1. Now if taken q, यदि आप q ले रहे हैं, in that case this will be change. What will be? A to q one part and then q to b another part. So what will be this much part is 2 and this part is 1. In that case AQ ratio QB is equal to 2 ratio 1. AQ ratio QB is equal to 2 ratio 1. Right? Then apply the same formula as previous. You applied that to find that AB. So suppose this is the, अब हम निकालने जा रहे हैं AB, Q value AB, m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. So A is equal to, what will be here? This much is 2 and then up to here what is 1. m1 x2, this is the m1 and that is m2. m1 x2 2 into 6 plus m2 x1 1 into 3 whole upon 2 plus 1. 2 6 ja 12 plus 3 15 upon 3. How much? 5. That is equal to 5. A came 5. Now check for the B. M1 y2. M1 y2. 2 into 9 plus M2 y1. 1 into minus 3 m1 plus m2. 2 9 ja 18 minus 3 over 3. 18 minus 3 15 upon 3, that is equal to 5. So we found that q value came 5 comma 5. A came 5 and A came 5 and B came 5. So coordinate became Q, AB 5 comma 5. Right? We found that coordinate of P and coordinate of Q. So this was question, find the coordinates of the points. Points means that more than one. Of trisection of the line. A line है AB, इसका trisection किया जा रहा है. Suppose P and Q, this is the 2 points which they make the trisection of line AB. So we have to find out P and Q by using the section formula. Hope the concept is clear that. Now student, take one more question for today. Question number 4 of this exercise 11. The line segment joining the points A32 and B51 is divided at the point P in the ratio 1:2 and it lies. This word is very important, and it lies. Which lies? P point lies where? On the line. This is the given line. If you join that 2 point A and B, what will get that? You will get a line. A line will be formed that if you join 2 points. On that point, P divide that line in the ratio 1:2. P कहाँ है? P उस लाइन पर है जो कि A और B को ज्वाइन करने पर मिलता है. मीन्स इफ दिस इज द लाइन है, गिवन लाइन इज 3x minus 18y plus k is equal to 0. This is the given line. This is given line. And if join A and B, what will form that? If you join A and B, A what is? 3, 2 and B what is? 5, 1. If you join these 2 points AB, we will get a line. On this line, a point P divide in the ratio 1:2. Yeah. So suppose P is anywhere on the line. This is divide 1:2. A and B are 2 points given. A point P divide this line into 1:2 in the ratio 1:2. बट इन थर्ड पार्ट, इन इसी में तीसरा भी पहुंच रहा है कि यह P इस लाइन पर भी लाइज करता है. तो बहुत समस्या हो गया जो दैट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि हाउ दिस P will lie on that line also, that this is this other line, this is another line. Yes, it will be, it may be that if this line is intersecting, suppose that this line intersecting means passing from the same point. So P will be lies on this line and this line both. P अब दोनों लाइन पर होगा, लेकिन इसका क्या प्रूफ है होगा? अगर P इस पर भी है या P इस पर भी है, P lies both line, so P point should be satisfy of this line also. P point mean that x value and y value on putting in this equation should be satisfied, mean that value also should come 0. ये जान लीजिए. अगर कह रहा है कि so that P lies on this line, तो अगर ऐसा है यदि कि P lies on this line, it means the point will be satisfy this line, means the value of x and y you have to substitute in this line, then what answer should come? 0. Yes, but here already given it lies, no need to prove that lies, it lies, already lies. ये दिया हुआ कि P इस पर भी लाइज करता है, लेकिन क्या निकालना? अननोन वैल्यू की, हमको K निकालना, K नहीं पता है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P. पहले हमें कोऑर्डिनेट निकाल लेना है. कैसे? बाय यूजिंग सेक्शन फार्मूला. बाय यूजिंग सेक्शन फार्मूला m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So let coordinate of P be xy. Suppose coordinate of P be xy. So first we have to find x. What is 1? This is m1. What is this? This is m2. What is this? This is x1. This is y1. This is x2. This is y2. Clear? Now to find the x, what we have to apply that? m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 plus m2. To find y, what we have to apply? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So let first find out x and y, mean the P, coordinate of P. X is equal to m1 x2 1 into 5, 1 into 5 plus m2 x1 2 into 3, 2 into 3 upon 1 plus 2. What is 1? m1 plus m2. Clear? 5 1 ja 5 plus 6 upon 3. What will come that? 11 upon 3. So we found x value came 11 upon 3. X came 11 upon 3. So this is the x value 11 upon 3. Similarly, we have to find the y value. Y value m1 y2. m1 1 into 1 1 into 1 plus m2 2 into y1 2 into 2 2 into 2 whole upon what is 1 plus 2. What will be here? 1 plus 4 upon 3. What is here? 5 upon 3. So we found that y is equal to 5 upon 3. Right? So what came? Coordinate of P came. Now let me remove this. So we found that P came 11 upon 3 and 5 upon 3. What was our aim to find that? The line segment joining the points A and B is divided at the point P in the ratio 1:2 and it lies, it means the P lies, P कहाँ पर? इस लाइन पर भी लाइज करता है. अब इस P को हम इस लाइन पर लाइज कराने के बाद क्या निकालना है? K. We have to find the K. So P came 11 upon 3, 5 upon 3. Now let me remove this thing. Since अब लिखेंगे since P lies on the line first, so it should be what? Satisfy. Should be satisfy mean that x वैल्यू y वैल्यू इसमें रखना है, इक्वल टू 0 करना है. ठीक है, हमको शो नहीं करना है कि इट इज लाइज. अगर शो करना होता तो हम सब वैल्यू पुट करके क्या दिखाते? 0 आ रहा है. वी हैव टू ब्रिंग दैट 0. लेकिन यहाँ वी हैव टू नॉट शो. ऑलरेडी गिवन दैट P लाइज ऑन दिस लाइन, यानी हमें x और y का वैल्यू इसमें पुट करना है और इक्वल टू 0 लिखना है, क्योंकि हम जान रहे हैं कि लाइज करता है 0 है. सो 3 into x वैल्यू 11 upon 3 minus 18 into y वैल्यू 5 upon 3. 3 into x वैल्यू 11 upon 3 minus 18 into y वैल्यू 5 upon 3 plus K is equal to 0. Why are writing the equal to 0? Because I know P lies, so should be equal to 0. अगर यदि ऐसा होता कि so तो हम इक्वल नहीं लिखते. It was not my authority or right to write equal to 0. Now 3 3 cancel. 3 6 ja 18. 11 minus 30 plus K is equal to 0. Now 11 minus 30, what will be that? 19 minus 19 plus K is equal to 0. K value what is coming? That transpose, that will be 19. K came 19. What was our target? Find the value of K. So K came 19. Clear? Now your equation came 3x minus 18y plus 19. No need to write this thing. लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि ये नहीं पूछ रहा है. ओनली आस्किंग द K. दिस मच इज एनफ. दिस इज योर आंसर. ये आंसर हो गया. लेकिन आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं कि अगर आपका इक्वेशन ऐसे दिया होता एंड क्वेश्चनिंग दैट कि सो दैट दिस विच दिस P 11 upon 3 and 5 upon 3 लाइज ऑन दिस लाइन. यदि ऐसा क्वेश्चन होता कि यह पॉइंट इस लाइन पर लाइज करता है, सो दैट दिस पॉइंट लाइज ऑन दिस लाइन, देन व्हाट वाज आवर एम, व्हाट वाज आवर टारगेट टू प्रूव दैट इक्वल टू 0. आवर एम विल बी हियर टू प्रूव दैट इक्वल टू 0. So let's check. Put here 3 into 11 upon 3 minus 18 into 5 upon 3. What is 11 upon 3? X value. And y upon 3 what is? Y is equal to what is? 5 upon 3. हम लिखेंगे क्या कि if what is write that? If questioning that कि so that this point lies on this line, और k भी सब कुछ दिया है इसमें, कोई अननोन वैल्यू नहीं है. In that case what will be? Write that if P, सिंस नहीं लिखेंगे क्योंकि उसमें सिंस लिखा था, क्योंकि दिया था. If P 11 upon 3 5 upon 3 lies on the given line, so should be satisfied. चलिए इक्वल टू 0 प्रूव करना है. 3 इंटू 11/3 माइनस 18 इंटू 5/3 प्लस व्हाट इज 19. सभी वैल्यू x का y का इसमें पुट करेंगे. क्या आंसर आना चाहिए? 0 आना चाहिए. अगर 0 आ गया तो सेटिस्फाई करता है. इट मीन द p लाइज ऑन दैट. तब क्या कहेंगे? p उस पर लाइज करता है. 3 3 कैंसिल. 3 6 या 18. व्हाट इज दिस? 11 माइनस 30 प्लस 11 sorry 19. 19 11 what will be that? 30 minus 30 what came? Equal to 0. So our aim completed here. It means p lies, hence proved that. But your question is only asking to find a value of k. So हमने k already निकाल कर दिखा दिया. k is equal to 19. Okay student, this much is enough for today. So student, now you watch the video. All of you, I request all of you to watch the video properly and try to understand, do the practice. So it is sure that by using the formula, if you use some question by using the formula, do the practice. If you do the practice, निश्चित है कि आप बहुत आराम से समझ जाएंगे और बहुत आसान लगेगा. कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, बहुत ही आसान चैप्टर है. यस, ओके, थैंक्स.